So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover another amazing event, that is Global Hack Week Cloud by the MLH team. He'll cover how you have to do the registration and all the things, what kind of swags you'll be getting. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. So this is our homepage for the Global Hack Week Cloud. Now, how to register? For that, I have already created a video. So if I just make it, it's simple process. You have to just click on register, enter your details and sign up. If you still face issue, I have attached the video link. You can watch it. This is the video how to do the registration. Okay. Now, once you are registered, okay, you have to open this link again. And if you register, you'll be getting every update emails also. So here when you'll click on it and make sure you are signed in also, you have to simply click on check-in. Okay, if you're watching this video just now, make sure to click on check-in so that you are checked in for one event. Now coming over here, I have already received the email, so there will be multiple events over there. Okay, so do not worry about the events, right? You don't have to do multiple tasks over here, like there is no huge coding task. There are some no code challenges also. Okay, so if you want to view the challenges, for that also you can navigate from the mail itself, or you can just come to the directly to the main page, which is listed over here. I think it's here. So here you can just check out the challenge. So as of now, the challenges are same. They have not updated it. I think after 9 p.m. after the intro session, they will mostly update it. And if the challenges remain same, I have attached all the challenges which will give you a basic swags. Okay, you can watch the video in the description. Complete playlist is there. From there you have to simply complete the challenge, like how to do the submissions. All things I've already covered. Now coming over here, how you will get your doubts clear. For that they have a Discord server. You can reach out to them, create tickets and get connected with it. And if you have any other doubt, you can comment directly. Here mostly what you have to do, you have to just complete these challenges. Okay, these challenges, there are no code challenges also, there are some coding challenges also. So from here you can filter also, that you click on no code, all these will be filtered. You have to simply sign up and just do the challenges. I think mostly it will be updated. If it is updated, I will make a dedicated video for these challenges also. Do not worry about it. Now if you're thinking that you'll be getting what kind of swags, so mostly the swags are stickers. Okay, stickers, letters, and if you win some better swags, means if you win the giveaway, you'll be getting hoodies also, t-shirts also, bags also. Okay, so this is the important confusion which most people are having, and the swags will be delivered around 2 to 3 months after the event ends. So there is multiple events also, like for example the career awards, we have the Gen Academy Epic Edition is there, and multiple events. You can just explore the description box. I've shared all the related events which will help you to learn more and earn more swags also. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.